Welcome guys, today we are going to learn the Beizer tool in PixelLab for beginners. This video is for those who couldn't know how to use the Beizer tool and for those who started asking what is the use of the Beizer tool. So in this video I will explain its use and we will design the metal logo together. If you are new here, subscribe, like and comment. The Beizer tool is one of the best features that PixelLab has. It is used to design curvy logos and lines. It is made up of three components: the node, anchors and parts. To start, I brought in a picture of metal logo, reduced its opacity and locked it. Then I set in my grid. Okay, if you are not sure on how to use the grid, I made a full video on it, so check it out. I made the grid 2:4. That means the horizontal is 2 and the vertical is 4. After it, I adjusted it and then on the snapping guide. Sorry, it did took a lot of time to adjust the grid, but now let's move to the main aim, the Beizer tool. Now there we have 2 nodes, 2 anchor points and 1 part. I adjusted the anchor points and the node and made the part according to the metal logo and added 4 interconnected nodes. I started adjusting the anchor points and the parts to fit the metal logo. It took quite a while, but I got it at the end, so watch how I did it. After that, I thickened up the stroke, gave it a black color, added some text on it and gave it a brand new color. And this is what we got at the end of everything. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If so, like this video, comment down below on how you were using the Beizer tool, and don't forget to subscribe. If you need more of these tips video, there are more on the screen, and catch you up in the next video.